Now we are going to study very important topic about the inverse Laplace transform. इनवर्स लैपलास में भी दो टाइप हैं, एक है यूनिलैटरल इनवर्स लैपलास ट्रांसफॉर्म जहाँ पे आरओसी स्पेसिफाई किया नहीं होता, और दूसरा है कि बायलैटरल लैपलास ट्रांसफॉर्म. बायलैटरल लैपलास ट्रांसफॉर्म में रीजन ऑफ कन्वर्जेंस स्पेसिफाई किया होता है. सो ऑलरेडी हमने देखा है कि वंस अगेन जस्ट आई विल रिव्यू, दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग एंड अदर थिंग्स आर वेरी इजी. अगर अपने ROC plot किया, so ROC is nothing but a S-plane where the poles and the region of convergence is specified. This is sigma and this is a j omega axis. And if we have seen the signal for Laplace transform of e raised to minus at u of t, okay. So for such type of the signal, the Laplace transform of this is equal to s plus a and sigma is greater than minus a. अगर सिग्मा इज ग्रेटर देन माइनस ए, मतलब माइनस ए इज अवेलेबल हियर लाइक दिस, सो द ROC फॉर दिस विल बी लाइक दिस. So if you look at this kind of signal, which are the causal and the right-handed signal, time domain में अगर ये signal देखेंगे, so this is a your right-handed signal. Okay, so right-handed signal, the ROC is right-hand side. मतलब आपको ये देखना है कि ROC is present for the greater than minus a, that to the right-hand side of the pole, then the signal is causal. Just to remember, signal is causal मतलब है कि आपको इधर u of t रहेगा. And if the signal is non-causal, for example it is e raised to minus at into u of minus t. अगर ये signal if I draw, so this minus at means decaying signal, so this signal it will be like this. So u of minus t, it is present to this side. Such type of the signals are the non-causal, and for non-causal signal its Laplace transform is also same, that is a 1 upon s plus a, and the ROC will be the sigma is less than minus a. Less than minus a मतलब if I plot the ROC for this kind of the signal, so this is sigma, and here the minus a, it will be minus a like this, and ROC it will be like this. Okay, this is j omega. Just you remember only two very important things. If ROC is present to the right hand side of the pole, the signal is causal and there the u of t will come. If the ROC is present to the left hand side, then the signal is non-causal and u of minus t will come. And other things, the basic signal and their Laplace transform, just to remember and accordingly correlate, and you can find out the inverse Laplace transform. Now let us go for the first problem. X of s is equal to 2 upon s plus 3, s plus 2. ROC is present from the minus 3 to minus 2. First आपको find out करना है कि just here the poles are distinct. If poles are distinct by the partial fraction, you find out the partial fraction coefficient. So I can write this problem as x of s is equal to the a upon s plus 3 plus b upon s plus 2. And here you find out the values of a and b. Now if I want to find out the values of a, this is equal to s plus 3 into x of s, where the x of s is equal to 2 upon s plus 3 into s plus 2. And for this, the value of s is equal to minus 3. Just to substitute these values, so s plus 3 will get cancelled. 2 upon here the minus 3 plus 2, so equal to 2 upon the minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So this is value of a. Similarly, find out the value of b. So this is equal to s plus 2 into x of s, where x of s is equal to 2 upon s plus 3 into s plus 2. You put the values of s is equal to minus 2. So this will get cancelled upon. So minus 2 plus 3 is a 1. It is equal to 2. So a is equal to minus 1 and the b is equal to 2. So you can write this x of s is equal to a means minus 1 upon s plus 3, b is equal to 2 plus 2 upon s plus 2. Now here we have to find out the inverse Laplace transform of this signal. Okay, we have found the partial fraction minus 1 upon s plus 3 plus 2 upon s plus 2. अभी आपको यहाँ पे ROC plot करना है. So just ROC already they have given sigma and this j omega. So it is minus 3 and here it is minus 2. So this is the ROC. इस ROC के ऊपर से आपको डिसाइड करना है कि सिग्नल कॉजल है या नॉन कॉजल है. तो विल टेक द इनवर्स लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म दैट x of t is equal to for first this term. So if you see here, so the pole is present at s is equal to -3. S is equal to -3. So ROC is greater than -3. If for this signal ROC is greater than this, means it is a right-handed, means it is a causal signal. So therefore, so its inverse Laplace, you know, the inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s plus a is equal to e raised to minus at into u of t. Just already we have seen, just to correlate with this. So this is minus 1 into e raised to minus 3t, and I am writing u of t because it is a right-handed signal. ROC is present to the right-hand side of the pole. Plus, now s plus 2, this is another term. Here the pole is located at s is equal to minus 2 for this term. And if you look ROC which is given less than minus 2, if less than minus 2, it is a non-causal signal. So therefore, for non-causal signal, its Laplace transform is here the minus 2 e raised to minus 2t into u of minus t. So overall, the x of t is equal to minus e raised to minus 3t, then minus 2 e raised to minus 2t into u of minus t. So this is bilateral inverse Laplace transform. So आपको basic Laplace transform exponential signal का याद रखना है, and just to see the ROC is, if it is to the right hand side of the pole, the signal is causal. ROC is left hand side of the pole, the signal is non-causal. Accordingly, you can decide whether it is a u of t or whether it is a u of minus t. So it is bilateral inverse Laplace transform. Now the next problem is find the inverse Laplace transform of this. So here ROC is given. If ROC is given, it means it is a bilateral inverse Laplace transform. First thing you find out by the partial fraction coefficient. So you can write this x of s, a upon s plus 4 plus b upon s minus 1. And accordingly, by using the partial fraction, so you will get value of a is equal to minus 2 by 5 and b is equal to 2 by 5. So you can write x of s is equal to minus 2 upon 5 1 upon s plus 4 plus 2 upon 5 1 upon s minus 1. अभी a अगर आ गया तो आपका 50% प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया. And we have to solve this for the different ROC. The first ROC, they have given that sigma is greater than minus 4 and less than minus 1. तो first आपको क्या करना है कि just to plot the ROC for this. So this is sigma and this is j omega axis. So minus 4 it would be around here, and 1 it will be around here. So this is the ROC which is provided in the problem number 1. So pole is at here, it will be 1 and here it is minus 4. So if you see now, we will directly find out the inverse Laplace transform for this. So for the first term we will find out, you check the pole is located at s is equal to minus 4, and for this signal ROC is to the right hand side. If ROC is to the right hand side, then it is a right handed signal, that is a causal signal. So its inverse Laplace is equal to minus 2 upon 5 into e raised to minus 4t into u of t. Same you find out for this. Now 1 upon s minus 1, the pole is at s is equal to 1. So s is equal to 1. Now ROC is to the left hand side of this, means the signal is non-causal. If the signal is non-causal, u of minus t will be there. So here it is again minus 2 by 5 into e raised to t into u of minus t. So this is the inverse Laplace transform for first ROC. Now the second, I will take the ROC. Just again plot the here the ROC sigma, and here the j omega will be there. Here it is greater than 1, so 1 will be here 1. Okay, so this is the ROC for the second problem. And if you see, the poles are at minus 4 and the 1, so here it will be minus 4. So for the second problem, so you can write x of s is equal to minus 2 upon 5 1 upon s plus 4 plus 2 upon 5 1 upon s minus 1. So for the first part of the signal 1 upon s plus 4, the pole is at this, and the ROC is to the right hand side. If ROC is to the right hand side, मतलब है signal is causal. So x of t is equal to minus 2 upon 5 e raised to minus 4t into u of t. नेक्स्ट द s इज इक्वल टू 1, यहाँ पे है ROC भी टू द राइट हैंड साइड है, मतलब वो भी सिग्नल कॉजियल है, मतलब उसका लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म रहेगा 2/5 e रेस टू t इंटू u ऑफ t. सो जस्ट इट इज लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म फॉर दिस फॉर द सेकंड प्रॉब्लम. थर्ड प्रॉब्लम है, ओके, जस्ट टू अगेन स्केच द ROC. Okay, -4 greater than -4, this is a -4 and this is sigma, the j omega axis, so this is ROC greater than -4 and poles are -4 and this is -1. Now we'll solve greater than -4 रहेगा, तो again you write for the x of s is equal to -2/5 1/s plus 4 plus 2/5 1/s minus 1. So now x of t is equal to s plus 4, मतलब ROC is to the right hand side, means signal is causal. So you can write -2/5 into e raised to -4t into u of t. And for -1, here the ROC is also to the right hand side, that signal is also the causal. So you can write plus 2/5 e raised to -t into u of t. So this is bilateral inverse Laplace transform for the third problem. Like if they ask you to find out the bilateral inverse Laplace transform for a different ROC, just to check whether the ROC is to the right hand sided or the left hand side of the pole. If ROC is to the right hand side of the pole, the signal is causal. If the ROC is to the left hand side of the pole, signal is non-causal, which will consist of your the term u of minus t. For the causal, the signal will consist of your u of t.